Hey there, people. This is my Rustler drag car. I got little teeny tires on the front, but I'm debating on putting these ones on or leave those on with the wheelie bar that I got on there. But this is my Rustler with, I'm going to plug everything here. I'm running a Tekin 3500 kV censored motor with the Gen 2 RX8, and I got the Pro Line shocks. I'm putting shock fuel tubing in them to lower them down. Right now I just got some zippy ties so I can adjust it to find out what height is going to be the best for it. I got the Traxxas telemetry speedometer and temperature sensor in it right now, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it in there. And the Tekin, it's a Pro 4 HL, like I said, censored, but I haven't yet taken it out. I'm going to do it here pretty soon. Gotta find a good road to do it on. But right now I got my Spectrum STX2 remote and receiver in it. I gotta change it over, that way I can use my telemetry system from the Traxxas. But that's my what do you want to call it, budget build drag car, just from parts, all my parts from all my other ones, and leftover stuff, you know, just something to my nitro. I want to make a nitro drag, see how that is. It's just sometimes nitro is harder to get the speed out of it with the power. I know this electric is so much easier, but I'm running 3S G-Force batteries in it. This one's only it's only a 25 count battery, but when I put my 100 in it, it really, these tires ain't supposed to really balloon, but they do. They lift right up. And let me plug it in here and I'll show you what she has. Turn on my remote. And that's on factory settings. So when I adjust the ESC on the punch controls and everything, she should have a lot more punch for it. I think that this one here is perfect. The Tekin is perfect for drag. We'll see. I got a 19 pinion with a 45 spur in there, I think. Right now it's metal, and hopefully I block the differential in the rear, and who knows how long these plastic drive shafts will last, if they do. But that's my budget build Rustler dragster. Thank you.